Nikki once again from Healing Key, and this time we are going to talk about social integration. By connecting your Instagram to your Healing Key account, you can start showing your Instagram posts or selling products, services, NFTs, and many more. So to start connecting your Instagram, you will have to go to the integration tab, and you can see the social integration. On this part, just click the Add Integration button and hit Next button. And on this part, they're just reminding us that once our account connected, they can access your info such as username, account type. Also, they can access your media caption, media account, media type, media URL, permalink, timestamp, and thumbnail. So once you have decided to proceed, just click the Connect with Instagram button below. And if you have previously connected an account, it will be determined by the website. Hence, showing you this prompt, and just hit the Allow button to proceed, and there you go. It's now connected, and if you wish to delete it or disconnect your account, just click the small bin icon on the right. And that's it. I hope that's clear to you guys, and have a good night.